I've been redeemed. Jesus saved me and I am redeemed. No more living in sin. I'm born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. By grace I am saved. I'm walking up yonder on the King's highway. Jesus saved me and I am redeemed.
What can I do without you, Jesus? Where can I go without you, Lord? Draw me near in your presence. Let me see your hand at work in my life. Work in my life. Come in, Holy Spirit, capture my heart, fill it with your love. Make a home in my life. Why in my life? Ooh, you're the star. Oh yeah. I've been redeemed. Jesus saved me and I am redeemed. No more living in sin. I'm born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. By grace I am saved. I'm walking up yonder on the King's highway. Jesus saved me and I am redeemed.
Lord, teach me how to worship. Lord, teach me how to pray. Teach me how to live in your presence and do things your way. Teach me your way,